Check out what's going on a Monday. That's right. Why am I working on a Monday? You're wondering what the hell I'm doing when I said I was retiring on a Monday? Well, I'm switching my days because I have a dental appointment tomorrow. So I'm working today and I'm taking tomorrow off Tuesday. So that's okay. So there we go. That's why I work Monday. So anyway, Mike's been working away. This frame was all bent, twisted, everything. He straightened it all, got the patches in. Got it fish plated in the back here. The only reason it fish plated is not there's something wrong with the frame. It's just the customer wanted it cleaned up and plated in the back. He's putting a big hitch on here. He's wants to strengthen it up. So there we go. And we're gonna box it in the back too once we get the trailer hitch in, which is right there. Customer brought out. Do that. Mike's replacing all this up here where the mounts go, where it was all rotten. Placed all that, just cleaning stuff up, so away we go. Looking good. Looking good. So he's still working on that, of course. And, it's still sitting there in place. Model A all covered up because it's back to work week, so we've got to keep the old girl covered up. Now the Galaxie. So the Galaxie is going tomorrow. It is taking off in the afternoon and it's going to get some upholstery done. But in the meantime, here, don't worry about the rags on the hood, but in the meantime, here you go. So the customer wanted the hood to be a satin black. He wanted the hood left satin black. We sprayed it satin black, and then the body is a beautiful gray. It's a newer car color gray, Ford color. I'm still waiting on bumper bolts. He ordered them, so it's going to leave tomorrow. And they're going to do the headliner, the package tray, the carpeting, and I believe the front seat. Then it's going to come back. No, then it's going to go get an alignment, and it's going to get tires and wheels put, or no, it has the alignment. It's going to get tires and wheels put on it. That's what it's doing. And then from there, it's going to come back here again, or I believe it's going to get the front and back windows in it. Then from there, it's going to come back here, and we're going to put the front bumper, the back bumper on it, finish up a few little pieces that are missing that he ordered, and then I believe he's going to take it back to the upholstery shop because then the door panels and all that will be ready. But there she is in her glory. You get to see her with the hood on. This is a 428 car, so that badge is correct that you see right there. 7 liter. She's a 428 factory, automatic. She's looking nice, looking very nice. Gonna have black interior, tie it all in with the hood, I believe. I guess that's his plan. I'm not sure. That's what it is. And then the Falcon, of course, we got all that old girl. She's going in the shop here tomorrow, and Sean's going to work his magic. He's got still got a good day or two left on the hood on this thing, and then we blow it all apart. We block everything out, put it in final primer, then you start painting edges, and then it goes together. So there's still a bit of time there on the Falcon to do, but the worst of it is done because usually to get it in first primer, that's the most work. All right, now. Sean is in here painting up wheels for the Camaro. Take a look at that. Oh, he's just got him stood up. Down there. Puts them on these boards so you can see so he can roll them. Then he's got his little lids left over for paint cans as his wheel chocks. Everything comes in handy. You got to save everything. You got to save everything around. You never know what you're going to need it for. And then the Buick. Now you can get a better look at it when it's actually out of the booth. So I'm going to be starting on this on Wednesday when I'm here, and we're going to mount the booster, the master cylinder, plumb the brake lines in, get the brakes all bled, get the glove box liner in it, glove box door on it, get the gauges in it, get the dash all put together, and then we're going to start to wire it. But there it is. That's the color it's going. I know you're probably saying, what's with the red frame? I don't know. I don't know. The frame was built. He had the frame all professionally built, high-end stuff, big money he spent here. And he brought the frame to us, and it was powder coated red. And I was like, oh, okay. I'm thinking the car's coming, and we're going red. And then all of a sudden, he decided he wanted blue. So I honestly don't know how I feel about the red and the blue, but it's his car, and at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how I feel or what I think. It only matters what he thinks, right? That's why I try and tell people all day long, everybody is entitled to an opinion. Now, some people will say, well, opinions are like belly buttons and assholes. Everybody has one. And you're right. Everybody does have an opinion. Everybody needs to have an opinion. There's nothing wrong with people having an opinion. We all think about things differently. And there's nothing wrong with that. Because if we all, like I said over and over, many videos, if we all thought the same way, did the same thing, well, we'd either all be driving Chevys, or all be driving Fords, or all be driving the same something, right? All be liking the same colors, everything. That's what makes the world go round. Difference. Difference. And it's okay if we don't like something. We can just be like, hey, it's not my taste, it's not my style, but all that matters is you like it, right? So remember that when you're building your car. You're building your car and if someone says something to you about the way you did something or things you put on it or something like that, and especially if you're a young guy, some young guys, you know, they look up to the older guys. Sometimes the older guys will, I would have done that, I would have done this. Don't worry about what they would have done. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. It's your car. It's your bike. It's your house. It's your yard. It's all yours, right? And if that don't work and they're really bothering you, just say my two favorite words that I must say at least 5 times a day to people. Fuck off. That's it. It's always a good time at old time.